La sizothatha i-derivative ka-sine of x, sine of natural log of x squared. Sithatha i-derivative with respect to x ka-sine of natural log of x squared. Ebese-ke sizothi u-f of x mhlawumbe u-sine of x, ebese sithi u-g of x u-natural log of x, ebese sithi u-h of h of x u-x squared. Yabona-ke ukuthi uma ngiyifaka ngimbala kanje siyabona ukuthi ikuphi esizobe sisebenza ngakho qala, ikuphi esizogcina ngakho. Sifuna-ke thina kuyafana nokuthi sifuna i-derivative with respect to x ka g of h of x squared. G f of g nxa sithi f of g of h squared, f of g of h squared. Zintathu into ekumele siyixazulule la. Siqale-ke. Sine of natural log of x squared esiwufuna la. Sizothi-ke cosine, ngoba ngithi siyazi ukuthi u-sine of x u-cosine of x. Sizothi-ke thatha ipeni lami, natural log of ngithathe elinye x akulona lelothi ngishintshe, x squared cosine of natural log of x squared, ebese sithi-ke f prime g of x h of x f prime of g of h of x, f prime of g of h of x noma sine of natural log of x squared. Siyabona ukuthi kupho kuyikuphi ukuthi f of x u-sine x, u-g of x u-natural log of x, ebese u-h of x u-x squared. Angithi sibhalile la ngakuthi kudla isandla. Ya sizokuthatha konke lokho-ke sithi times 1 over 1 over x squared, 1 over x squared, ebese nala sizothi g prime of, ebese sithatha lo x squared wethu siwenze i-derivative x squared but h of x ngiyawukhohlwa lo h of x, ebese-ke sithi times 2x, so x i-derivative ka h of x. Yabona ukuthi lento engibhala la into efanayo, othi ngikukekele ngembala khona ngizokukhombisa. Yabona ukuthi lokhu yilokhu f prime x loya cos natural log of x squared ne f prime g of h of x into efanayo, ebese u1 over x squared u-g prime h of x, ebese lo 2x u-h prime of x, h prime of x ama-derivatives ethu lawo satholile. Mase kunjena ngiyabona ukuthi kubalula ukubona ukuthi kupho kumele kuphi. Sesizokuthatha-ke lokuthi simplify sikwenze ukuthi kwenze umqondo futhi kube yi-function eyodwa eflowayo enza umqondo. So to get 2 over x cosine natural log of x squared, ebese yabona ukuthi lento siyenza ngama-layer. Siqala la ngaphansi ngaphandle, ebese siloke sisondela size sifike ngaphakathi nendawo kulo x squared wethu la phakathi. Manje lokho kungaphandle-ke lo sin x wethu f of x, i-derivative yethu angithi sithe cosine of x, i-derivative ya sin of x lapha yabona ukuthi sibhalile ya, ebese-ke lo 2x asukade usu2 manje uyi-derivative yalo ya h of x.